In this lecture, we will discuss how we can select multiple edges, multiple faces with a single click, and how we can select these one by one. And after that, we will discuss how to heal a face of an object, heal an edge of an object, and how we can draw an object with using this command. Draw an object. The selection command is that we can select the faces, edges and vertices by two different ways. One is this way. In this way we will select one by one. One edge or one face or one. By using control key we can select multiple. But the best way is easy way is we will use another command that will help us to select the multiple faces, multiple edges with single click. But here in toolbars it is not present. So we will check in customize toolbars. Here it is. These are the different selection, multiple selection command. And here it is, a healing command. Click on OK. Now select an object. If I want to select all the edges of one edges of an object, I will use this. But if I want to select all the edges of an object, click on object and use this command. All the edges have been selected. Now if I want to select one face, I will use this way. But if I want to select all the faces of object, I will use this command. Now object is not selected, but all the only faces are selected. Now I can select one vertices by using this command. But if I want to select all the edges, if I want to select all the vertices, I will use this command. You can see that all the vertices have been selected. And here you can see that these vertices are also selected. Now if I want to select one vertices, for example here, this, and I want to select just faces which is intersecting this vertex. So this way, only faces related to this vertex have been selected. Now you can see that other faces are not selected. In this way you can use a quick way to solve a project. Now I am going to select this face, and I want to select all the edges of this face, only this face edges. You can see that similarly I can select all the vertices of these edges. and from here you can change an object. If you want to select an object face, edges or vertices are multiple, you can change from here, and you can also change by left click. Now we will see how to heal command works. First select the face and edge which you want to heal. I want to heal this face. Just click on that face. Similarly, if I want to heal the edge